All right, so being the father of four daughters that are in their 20s, and so sage advice as to them in their careers and how do they advance their careers, given there's unfairness, there's challenges, there's strife, there's inequities. I mean, that's just the society we live in. So what would be my advice to them? Number one, I would say be an expert at whatever it is that you aspire to do. Make sure that you're providing great input and really good, solid expertise around whatever your domain is and whatever it is that you're trying to provide for. The second is, I would say, work really hard. I mean, hard work and luck usually cross at some point in your career. So I would say that that's a big piece. And the third is, don't let that door close in front of you without knocking. A lot of times I say to my daughters, hey, listen, you got to slam open that door and announce yourself. It's not, being meek and mild and having that door close in front of you and then you walking away. It's really fighting and striving. And so I've kept on reinforcing this over their younger years and into their teenage years. And I think that as young adults now, they've taken that and they've run with it, and they seem to be doing real well in their entry into their careers. One is in finance, one's a nurse, one's in marketing, another one's an events coordinator. I mean, when you take a look at where they've come from after graduating their university and going into their first and now even second jobs within their careers, I think they've taken that and they've run with it, and so far so good.